Well, y'all, welcome back. As you can see, I'm sitting inside of a tent. Maybe you can tell that this is a tent. It's a hot tent that I picked up for this winter, but I don't have a wood stove yet, so I don't have the opportunity to use it. But I figured I should probably set this thing up in my backyard so that I know what I'm doing by the time I get out there, and the wind's picking up a little bit. I guess just go over what I've been doing. I haven't got much accomplished this week as far as camping goes. I didn't get a video uploaded on Thanksgiving like I wanted to, but I kind of took a little bit of a break too. Sometimes you need that. I gotta say that seasonal depression is a real MF, and I'm not digging these shorter days. It's kind of been eating at me, but I picked up some more other gear on Black Friday sales and whatnot. Unfortunately, the stuff that I picked up wasn't even on sale, but I do have a stove on the way for this. What else? Why don't I get a little bit closer? What else do I got going on? I figured out what I'm going to do with the leaf springs on my truck. I've actually got the install time basically set up, and I'm going to be doing it in conjunction with a local off-road shop that you guys may have actually seen in a couple of my videos at like Overland Expo and More Expo. I talked to them a little bit, and they've got a lift and stuff, so it's going to be a whole lot easier to do it there than it is going to be to do it in my driveway. I was really trying to avoid that, especially when we had that really cold snap come through. But it's actually like it's 40 something degrees. It's supposed to be 57 again tomorrow, but there is a chance of snow and rain coming up this week, so that's kind of exciting. I really wish I had the stove for this so I could test it out, but we'll just have to wait for the next round. I'm sure we'll get more at some point. I don't know, I think that's kind of about it. I've kind of been working behind the scenes a little bit more on merch. Like I said, I'd love to have it out by the first of the year, but I don't think that's going to happen. But for sure by the time we hit 100,000 subscribers, unless I get some stupid video that goes viral or something, and it happens incredibly fast, but I don't believe that's going to happen. But other than that, just kind of been relaxing. You know, it's Thanksgiving week. We've got Christmas coming up next month. Got an ice trip booked up north. That's just a little bit over a month away, so we'll be doing that. And I'm kind of looking at a newer ice shelter also to do some better camping on the ice. Now, technically, you could use this thing on a lake. There'd be no problem. It'd be kind of a pain, I think, to set it up and drill all your anchors into the ice, but it's doable. But we may end up getting ourselves a pop-up shelter for this season. I do have that flip over, but I don't think I even used it last year. And you can camp in that, but you can only fit one person inside. So it'd be nice to get something that's this big that I could use for ice fishing also. That's insulated, obviously, would be a little bit nicer. But I don't want to show off too much of the tent to you guys, because you're going to have to wait until we actually use it. But as you can see, it's pretty tall. Like, I'm 6 foot tall, and I'm just touching the tip of it. There's the stove jack right there, so I'm pretty stoked to use this. Obviously, I'm sitting out here in my backyard. Well, there's the brand name. If you can read that backwards, you'll figure it out. But kind of looking at doing some different trips. That's another thing I've been doing over the last week or so, is just kind of brainstorming new stuff and different stuff to do in this coming year. I'd like to travel and camp in different ways coming up. Not that I'm tired of truck camping, but I have the opportunity to do it so much that I'm excited to try something different at this point, do something different. I guess if you missed it, I said I would buy a van at 100,000 subscribers. So that'll happen too in the future, but that's not going to replace the truck. It'll just be an add-on to the fleet. And I really am up in the air on what to get as far as that goes anyway, so it'll be what money allows at that point. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and kind of give you guys a quick update since I didn't have a video ready for today. The next one will probably come out like Wednesday or Thursday night. I think that should be good, because I think the snow is potentially tomorrow night, so we'll see how that turns out. I've honestly been avoiding driving the truck because it drives so bad with the stock springs on there. They can't handle the weight of the tire way back behind the bumper like that. And they've honestly probably needed upgraded for a while. When I went and talked to that off-road shop there, one of the first things the guy said was, wow, your bushings are bad. And they are. You get a lot of side-to-side sway and stuff in the rear end. But yeah, guys, like I said, just wanted to touch base with you and let you know that we're definitely not done camping for the year. But I don't know. I'm excited for the snow to be here. It's kind of a bummer to go camping right now because everything is just brown and dry and there's no color. At least if it's going to be like this, I'd like for it to be snowing. You know what I mean? I have not gone out and checked the lakes again, but I know a couple of the big lakes are open. Maybe we'll do some fishing, although I think where I'm going to have to go for the snowstorm, there's not going to be any water there anyways, but that has yet to be seen. I'm just kind of rambling at this point. But yeah, I think I'll just go ahead and close this one out here. Got a lot of cool stuff coming up. I've got a cool build, like a full-on build that I think I could make happen and do in my garage or in my driveway. So we'll have to see if I jump into that over winter, but something that I've been thinking about doing for a while. So that would be cool, and it would make the wood stove a little bit more usable in a different location also. So anyways, y'all, I appreciate you guys checking in and watching this one, and for everybody supporting the channel. Make sure, as always, you hit the thumbs up button. I usually don't ask for that in any of these videos, but yeah. Happy holidays, y'all. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving, and stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit.